Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panani Ashtadhyayi Sthapatya, Trans 4, Lesson 54. During this fourth feature of trance, we shall be considering, availing, imbibing the feature as to how the Dravya as not along the dimensional frame of a four space with asan 5 space leading to its origin. The split of the 5 space domain itself as of value 16 as soul syllable O. Big step it is. We have a content. It becomes not frequencies. Then it is along a dimensional frame. Next generation dimensional frame. This also is the origin, and then there is a next generation origin. Value reached is 16 along this dimensional frame itself, and it is giving us a Divya Ganga Parvaha from 9 space, 7 streams, 3 streams in 1 stream. This has 20 of its own transforming at the middle format 97531 as 25 as 5 square as transcending 4-6 format 25 and becoming a buddhi. This in a dynamic state as 38, which in 39 bridging gaps and becoming a Maheshwar. This in dynamic state as 52. It is D15. So see how we had started with first transcendence stage with 4 space with a transcendental seal. It has been a 4 space and it has a transcendental seal. Then we had seen that the Hirde mind had transcended into what? It is 21, it is 19, it is domain dimension relationship. Now here with this reach at the transcendental seal, with TC value 15, it is parallel with Mukh, it is mouth. So it's seen how we had along the Merudand 45. These are 33 kund. G16 is 33. Mouth has taken us 16, 16, 17 as a jeep. These are the phases and stages which has taken us to this as an asana. And now, at the fourth stage now, we see that we have reached the mouth, and this content is not frequencies, sound frequencies. It becomes a shabd, words. This within 4 space along the dimensional frame of 4 space with 5 space as an origin, it becomes the seat asana. And when this happens as a flow. O is TC value 16. We know O iti ek akshar Brahm. How this all sequentially of its own opens 16, 8, 8, 13 and 28. See, it is 32, it is 51, 32 and 51. Sorry, 41 is 73. Now, it is this feature of 73, which is 36 and 37, is the format. And this 36 is Paranava. All these features are emerging of its own. But what in practice we can see, how practically we can organize it. First stage, T1, is that permit the mind to transcend within one's cavity of heart. Hirday and man, mind and heart. Permit the mind to transcend within cavity of one's heart. The second stage will be to have the postures. Postures means from here, this origin seat, there will be kunds. These kunds are the dimensional frames of 4 space. This is kund. It is 16. It is G16 is 30, 33. And it is a Merudand. Our spinal cord is having 33. Now, this is then taking us to a mouth. Jaws, 16 and 16 teeth. In between is a tongue, jeep, 17. So it is 16, 17 and 16. Total is 49. It is 7 square. It even transcends 6, 8 great. So the dimensional frame stands extended. Even the 6 space, with 6 spaces dimension, 4 spaces dimension, 2 spaces dimension of dimension 48. We know 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. 6 into 4 into 2 is 48. So it is this phenomenon of square as quadruple, quarter squares, and 3 of them are sufficient to have its construction as fourth of its own remains unmanifest and manifest in both forms. That is why here at this origin seat is the fifth square. So this together is 60, difference is 36. All these are the features. It is Rishi, seers. How this all is happening of its own takes us to that when we are sitting in a Padmasana, 22 plus 15, 37, which is H5 plus H5. When we are at the origin of a 4 space as origin of a 5 space, that is 6 space as origin of 5 space, then all is that we are having in Dravya 17 as a knot, and it is here where we have to recite O. It is this knot which will transform and become a divya of its own. It will be Atma, and then Param 20, Atma is 37. This happens of its own. It is this process, it is this mechanism, it is this inherent inbuilt for which we are appreciating that we will start with 4 space, means we will sit comfortably, permit our mind to transcend. Then we will have a posture of a Merudand, straight and reaching the mouth. There will be coordination of Kant, Mukh, and it is here where the Nasika 18 as 9 and 9. And then we know we will be reaching at a phase and stage with Padmasana, 37, and reciting O. It will unfold itself, take us up till the transcendental origin, of 4 space. It is Pushpika. It is here where 47 as shlokas of chapter 1 take to 48 as a Pushpika. Rest follows of its own. Sadhaka's fulfilled intensity of urge have to sit comfortably, permit one's mind to transcend within one's hriday. It is a 4 space phenomenon. Within 4 space, the 5 space splits its outer crust into 17 and 19, and it is here from that there is a Merudand formation, then the Jeeb, tongue, Shabd, Brahm. All these phenomena of its own are emerging. It happens of its own. The only thing what is to do is one is to sit comfortably, permit the mind to reach one's Hriday, have a proper asana, Padmasana, and recite the divine Naad Om. This Naad of its own becomes Anahat Naad. Anahat Naad 1, 10, 10, and 5. This is 10, 6, and 1. See, it is 26, and it is 17. Total is 43, and it is Brahman, universe. It is the inherent, inbuilt features of existence phenomenon of human frame parallel with the existence phenomenon of our solar universe. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity effort to be parallel with Vedic systems, Vedic knowledge, Vedic formats, Vedic sthapatya, Vedic sciences, Vedic technologies, shall sit comfortably, permit the mind to transcend within the cavity of one's own heart, have a Padmasana, be on this Naad, Vedanaad, Vedic sounds, and then the existence phenomenon of human body is be parallel with the universe. It is this phenomenon which will take that our intelligence, buddhi,